welcome back to another nomadic adventure. So this morning we saw on the map down in the southern part of the Florianópolis island here that there are a lot of hiking trails. So after seeing this, we decided we'd come explore one. So we are choosing the Leste trail, and it shows that it's about a 50-minute trail. We just arrived here and made it into the front of the trailhead, and we're gonna see how this trail is. It is a hot one out here today, incredibly humid, but it's exactly what you'd expect from a Brazilian jungle. Something else that's not so surprising is we have a lot of incline here, so very mountainous region. Valley says her knee hurts back there, but don't get me wrong, not complaining. This is a really beautiful hike. There's this nice wind coming through and moving the tree branches, really making the forest feel like it's alive. Seeing butterflies fly around and just so green. So exactly what I'm looking for, just trying to explain in detail what it's like. Something I love about the forest here is that it reminds me of prehistoric dinosaur times. These leaves are huge.
They are huge.
I love feeling them, and then just the crevices here. I can feel the ridges that's all through here. And then the simple fact that my hand can fit on this leaf is wild. Look, here's more of these dinosaur jungle plants. Those are crazy.
They're huge. There's a lot that are huge here.
They remind me of wind chimes. This plant right here has hair on it. How does it feel?
Really good. It's like a cloud. I don't know how to say it. It's inside if it has something.
I'm no herbologist by any means, but really impressed just by the amount of green variety here in terms of plants and trees and everything. Can't give any names because I don't know anything, but it's really cool to see and touch and just feel it all. It's really nice, Pally, because this whole terrain is laid out perfectly to make for good hiking.
Yeah, I have to say it's not so difficult.
No, it's not difficult at all.
No, it's just it has a lot of parts that are like these.
Incline.
Yeah, and it makes my knee hurts. That's the only problem.
All these footstones right here for us to walk on. I want to know who puts these down? Who makes this trail?
That's a really good question. How do they even make it?
I know. We have all these smooth logs for us to walk on so we don't fall. But just to think somebody brought these in and look at all the work. You would have to carve around all these tree trunks. There's literally a tree in the middle of the trail right here. Just who did this? Do you see the monkey?
It's so cute.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's so tiny.
Do you hear that? That was beautiful, hearing that bird while we're on this trail. It just feels so immersive to be out here in this jungle, and exactly what I love. We're definitely getting to the top of this hill that we've been trekking up. I've noticed that the ground is starting to turn into dirt. Sun's hitting my face and getting a lot hotter. There's dead grass everywhere, just a lot more open shrubs and not that greenery like those prehistoric dinosaur plants that we were seeing. I don't think I mentioned it, but really the end goal of this is there's the ocean on the other side. It's supposed to be kind of uninhabited, no development. So we gotta get over this hill to see that blue water that we're searching for. Whoa, check this out. We went from prehistoric looking plants to orange rocks. Dig it. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's wild.
It's a meteorito.
Wait.
How do I say that in English?
Meteorite.
Yeah. That's
it's pretty cool though.
Yeah, it is.
My fingers look like they just came out of a bag of Cheetos. It's wild.
Cheeto fingers!
Wow, there it is behind you. We're almost there.
Beautiful.
It is really nice.
Yeah, my knees hurt a lot, but at least I have this view right.
Yeah, it's worth the hike. Wow. Absolutely stunning beach out here, and it's relatively secluded compared to the rest of the island. Because it did take an hour to an hour and a half to hike all the way out here, there's just not near as many people. They don't want to do the work to get here, bring all their stuff. and there are a few commercial locations like restaurants to get some drinks at. Totally worth the hike. Right over there are some people in the water right there. And then just on the other side, I mean, a handful of people all along there. It's undoubtedly the most secluded beach I've been to in all of Florianópolis, and I've been here for the past 2 months. If you know of a better one, definitely leave me a comment below, but this is wild. You wanna go walk down there? There's like way less people. Look at that, that's our view. Yeah, that's a good spot right there. Wow, absolutely stunning.
It is great. Everywhere is great here.
Yeah, literally everywhere. The spot that we're sitting ourselves down at is great. We're basically inside a bay, so there's part of the land that points out on one side and likewise on the other, and a lot of wind coming through, which puts a lot of waves in the water, but it should make for some fun swims. You want to get in the water?
It's a little bit cold.
Oh, so you've already got in?
No, but I touch it with my feet.
Ah.
So I don't think I will go. Are you going?
I walked all this way. Of course I'm going to get in the water. A gorgeous backdrop behind me with the mountain. I love it. This is Brazil. And then some blue water. I mean, whoa, it's a little strong, but it is nice and refreshing. I'm actually really thirsty right now, so being in this kind of cold water, it is chilly, it's making me more thirsty and I can't drink it. It sucks. The water's also really clear, so just no contamination. I guess there's really no sand coming up to make it murky. Wow, this might be the most secluded beach, but oh my gosh, I don't know if the camera can see this.
It's crazy.
This is the windiest beach, right? I can't see because of the shade.
Can you see my face? Look at my face.
Oh, the sun. Wow, yeah, that is wild. All that sand.
Yeah, so while Jacob was in the water, a storm, like a windstorm, was like bah, 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 and I grabbed like these to protect the camera.
The Lagoinha trail to the Lagoinha beach here was longer than expected, but it was definitely worth it. I mean, being able to come here and enjoy a beach essentially just to ourselves is nice, but I will say there's not very much. Actually, there's no natural shade at all, so it doesn't feel like I could spend a ton of time here without just being overly hot. Now, if you made it this far, definitely consider hitting that thumbs up button because I think you liked the video, and if you want to be on our next adventure, definitely touch that subscribe button. See you all next video.